Welcome. Today we are diving into the world of technical search engine optimization, often called technical SEO. It is crucial to understand that technical SEO is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. This presentation will help you grasp the fundamental concepts of technical SEO. So, what exactly is technical SEO? In simple terms, technical SEO is the process of optimizing your website's infrastructure to help search engines. This involves ensuring that search engines can easily access, crawl, understand, and index your content effectively. Technical SEO focuses on the back-end aspects of your website, such as its structure, speed, and security, rather than the content itself. It's essential to have a solid technical SEO setup for your website to perform well in search results. Let's take a look at some of the core elements of technical SEO. First, we have site architecture, which involves creating a logical and well-organized structure for your website. This helps search engines understand how different pages are related to each other. Next is site speed. The faster your website loads, the better the user experience in search rankings. After that, mobile responsiveness. It ensures that your website is accessible and easy to use on all types of devices, including smartphones and tablets. Lastly, HTTPS security, providing a secure connection for your users. This helps build trust and can positively influence search rankings. Now let's discuss XML sitemaps. An XML sitemap is essentially a list of all important pages on your website. It is designed for search engines, not for humans. This file helps search engine bots discover and crawl your website content more efficiently. An XML sitemap also updates automatically. It includes last modified dates. It supports multiple content types. However, do keep in mind that the maximum number of URLs in one file is 50,000. Here's a simple example of a sitemap.xml file. Let's move on to controlling search engine crawlers using Robots.txt and Meta Robots tags. The Robots.txt file is located at the root of your website, like example.com/robots.txt. It gives instructions to search engine bots on which parts of your site they should not crawl. Meta Robots tags, on the other hand, are HTML elements that you place within the head section of a web page to control whether specific pages should be indexed or followed by search engine crawlers. Next, we have canonical URLs, which are a crucial element for handling duplicate content issues. When multiple similar pages exist on your website, a canonical URL tells search engines which version should be considered the master copy. This is useful for product pages with multiple filters, printer-friendly versions of a page, different versions for mobile and desktop, and different URL parameters. You can implement canonical URLs using a link tag in the HTML head of the page, or through the HTTP header. Let's explore structured data and schema markup. Schema markup is a specific vocabulary you add to your HTML to help search engines better understand the context and meaning of your content. This can enhance how your website appears in search results by enabling rich snippets. Some benefits include improved content relevancy signals, increased click-through rates, and optimized voice search results. Here's a basic example of how you might use the JSON LD format to add structured data to a product page. Now let's discuss URL structure and optimization. Creating a well-structured URL is important for both users and search engines. Some best practices include using hyphens to separate words, keeping URLs short and descriptive, using lowercase letters only, and avoiding special characters and spaces. It is also advised to include your target keywords naturally and maintain a logical hierarchy for better usability. Let's see the difference between poorly structured URL and well-structured URL. Mobile optimization is crucial in today's world. Your website should be designed with mobile devices in mind, given that so much web traffic now comes from smartphones and tablets. This involves having a responsive website, optimizing images, setting the viewport meta tag, and making sure touch targets are sized correctly. It is important to make sure your website performs equally well across a variety of devices. Here is a simple visualization of how a mobile interface may look, and below are a few points to consider when implementing your mobile interface. Finally, let's talk about essential SEO tools and monitoring practices. There is a variety of SEO tools that can assist with all your technical SEO efforts. These tools can be broadly classified into performance tools, such as PageSpeed Insights and Jeepmetrics. Then comes crawling and indexing tools like Screaming Frog and Google Search Console. Lastly, there are tools for monitoring and analytics, including Google Analytics and SEMrush. These help track your website's performance and identify areas that need improvement. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.